All right, we made it to the Animal Kingdom Lodge. We are staying in a standard room at Jambo House, so I thought I would just take you on a quick tour of what our room is like. And we've been in the car all day, so pardon my appearance, but this is it. This is our standard room, standard view of the parking lot. But here's what the Animal Kingdom has to offer. Before I do that, make sure that you hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you can see more of our content as we hang out here at the Animal Kingdom and we visit Disney. Like most of the standard rooms, you first walk in, you have a little hallway. This is a closet, very narrow closet, but a closet nonetheless. It has some hangers and some extra pillows and blankets, some storage on top. The other side is more storage. You're safe. This is actually a steamer. I've never seen that before. There is some more storage up high and then some more hanging stuff down below. We have our beverage area, shelving, ice bucket, Keurig, all of your stuff for coffee. There is a beverage chiller. That's my bottle of water, don't worry. Here, on the other side, there's the front. You have this nice full-length mirror, and then you have the bathroom. So the bathroom, you have double sinks. You have this nice large vanity mirror. You do get some toiletries. Body lotion, mouthwash, shower cap, vanity kit, and some facial soap. Around the corner is the shower and toilet area. Nice rain shower head, 2 shower heads, some more towels, and regular toilet. You have your conditioner, body wash, and shampoo in the communal bottles instead of individual. Here in the bathroom, a couple of hooks for your towels, robes, whatever. And here's the main area. You have this lovely music playing when you walk in, give you that feel of Animal Kingdom. They also have 4 USBs and 4 regular outlets on the dresser. Seating area, mirror, the balcony for outside, and 2 queen beds. And there are 2 USBs and 2 outlets on each side of the bed. You've got your air conditioning there, some different artwork. The light switches are all in the center. So you have that. You have some USBs here. They are still doing enhanced cleaning for the room. We actually take it the extra mile and kind of wipe down a few things with Lysol wipes ourselves, and we did not see any dirt or dust, which is good. This is kind of an interesting hidden feature. In each side of the bed has a little reading light. Be careful, you might blind yourself. Here is our room. That's pretty much it. Basic, standard room at the Animal Kingdom. Nothing fancy, but definitely themed. Let's take a look outside. Balcony. No animal viewing from this side, just the parking lot, but we are this right here is the drive-through for the valet and the bell services, so we're very close to the lobby. And now here we are, we have our little space. And that is our space at Animal Kingdom, our room anyway. We'll do a full resort tour also. So there you have it. It's our basic tour of the standard room, standard view room at Animal Kingdom Jambo House. We are in the Ostrich Trail section of the guest room, so near the front of the hotel, but we are facing the parking lot. We do not have a Savannah view, but there's supposed to be on every floor an overlook area and a balcony where you can go to the Savannah side and see some animals. So we're gonna go see if we can find that.